Well, we had not one but several amazing light shows tonight. I am so glad we came up here. I was really hesitating whether we should take the drive tonight to do this because of the cloud cover and everything, both in the forecast and what I was seeing in the sky. Melanie really encouraged me to come up, and I am really glad we did. You just never know what's going to happen when you get out here. We had an amazing sunset. I wish we had even more footage because it was so incredible. We got to see the full moon rise, the supermoon. It was a little late coming up, so I was starting to wonder again because of the clouds, but it did get over the clouds here, and that was pretty amazing. It's up there by another planet that I forget the name of, but I'll look it up, put a note here. But that was pretty cool. And then as we're watching the moon rise, we end up with a lightning show going on to the north and to the south from separate storms, and we've been watching that as well. So really, really cool experience tonight. Lots of amazing light. So please hit the like button if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel for more travel related and outdoor related content, and we'll catch you in the next video, everybody. Thanks for joining us.